Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Kelly. According to our demographic survey, we are all very hardworking, with 50% of us with a part-time or full-time job. With all that time and effort put into each paycheck we earn, or if you're a student who gets money from your family, we need to learn how to spend our money wisely. My first year of college, I used to buy cookies every week, and it wasn't until I realized how much money I was spending that I needed to make a change. So it was time to find a better solution to mine and other students' money problems without sacrificing our sweet tooth for cookies. By following just a few simple steps, you can create your own homemade chocolate chip cookies and save money by doing so. For this demonstration, I will show you how to make the cookies with affordable and basic ingredients, and near the end, I will show you how to save the dough and use it at your own convenience. So the very first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You need a baking sheet, which is either greased or lined with parchment paper, and you need two separate bowls, one for your dry ingredients and one for your wet ingredients. So let's begin baking. We'll take our first bowl, and to this you need 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to sift this all together with a fork, and these are 3 very basic ingredients that some of you may even have in your cupboards right now. So after you get that mixed together, you're going to work on your wet ingredients. To this, you are going to blend 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and 3/4 cups of melted butter. That melted butter is going to help your cookie spread in the oven and give you that nice chewy texture you're looking for. And after that's all creamed together, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and 1 egg yolk. Now again, they're basic ingredients that some of you may even have in your cupboards. And the vanilla extract you might have to go out and get, but I suggest you get imitation vanilla extract because it'll taste just as good in your cookies. And it's affordable. Okay, so then you're going to add your dry ingredients to this. And I like to do it in thirds because if you add all of your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients at the same time, it's no good. It's going to make your dough dry and your cookies hard, and we don't want hard cookies. We want soft and chewy cookies. So I've already done this, and you're also going to fold in your chocolate chips. Now, you can add as much chocolate chips as you want. I would say 2 cups to begin, and then eyeball it. Okay, so as soon as you get that all blended like this, you're going to take a nice large tablespoon and plop it right onto your prepared baking sheet, like that, 4 or 6 at a time. And I would suggest that you bake these for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are nice and golden brown. Now, we're going to finish by either baking or you're going to save your dough. So if you're baking it, like I said, put it in the oven 12 to 15 minutes. And if you're saving it, you can put it in plastic wrap and make sure you double wrap it, then label it, put cookie dough on it, and then the date that you did it, so you know when you put it in there. And then it can freeze up to 90 days, so you can use it at your convenience. If you have a hard day at work or school and you don't have enough time to prepare and bake, just take it out of your freezer, bake for 12 to 15 minutes, and you're good. And this is what your finished product will look like. Okay? So in conclusion, by just following a few simple steps, you can create your own homemade chocolate chip cookies and save money by doing so. You can now try it on your own and be a little more money conscious when that sweet tooth hits you. Okay. And my bibliography. The first is where you can find the recipe, the second is how to freeze your cookies safely, and the third is the demographic survey.